Hello there, this is DaveTech. In this video, I will show you how to download and install the Xumo Play app to your Android TV even if you do not have the Google Play Store app installed. This should work on any Android TV even if it doesn't look the same as mine here. So what you should do on your Android TV is to go over to your browser or search engine. Please, this works on Android TV, not smart TV. So in the search box, you're going to type in a new application, which in this case is a Xumo Play. So just go over here, type in Xumo Play. So here's the application here, Xumo Play app. So search for it, and this is what is going to happen. Now, if your TV has an Android operating system, it should have a result like this. So just click on it once, and you're going to get something like this. Now, if you look at here, it says here that this item isn't available in my country. So for me creating this video, I cannot install the application to my Android TV as I'm not using a VPN and it's not available in my country. But if you are watching a video from the US, 50% of my viewers are from the US. That's why I decided to create this video, because I know even if I cannot do this, those in the US can do it if you follow the same method. So if you follow the same method and go over here, you get the install button somewhere here, and you can go ahead and install the application. And if it's compatible with your Android TV version, it should work straight away. If it's not, then that's something too that you should stop worrying about, because it cannot work on your Android TV. So if the first option doesn't work, you can try the second option, but I don't fully recommend that option because some third-party sites have viruses, and I wouldn't recommend you installing from third-party sites. So the first option is the best as long as their application is available in your country. If you find the video helpful, please like, subscribe, share for more important videos like this.